Hey guys, so today this is going to be my first video on yo-yos. Yep, yo-yos. And for this video I'll be using the Arrow by Gentry Stein. And yeah, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to throw it. Dude, there. There's things wrong with this one. Sometimes when I tuck up, sometimes it doesn't come up. So to hold the no wait. So in some cases, yeah, in some cases there will be the yo-yo that you get. There's gonna be an already made slip knot, but if there's not, you'll just have a loop. And to make it fit on your finger without flying off, you're gonna fold the string. So I have the loop right here. Then you open it, and then you like fold it over the string that's connected to it. Pull that string through. Pull it through. I can't really see right now. Pull it through. Pull it through. Put your middle finger in it on the top or bottom. Doesn't really matter. And now you got your slip knot. So to hold the yo-yo, you're gonna make sure that the string is coming from the top of the yo-yo. So I lost my words. The string that's on the top connected to the yo-yo, or the string that's connected to the yo-yo, you're gonna want to have that coming from the top, like this, so then it can easily roll off your hand. So now what you do is you hold it like this, then you make a muscle, or yeah, kinda. You put your hand up to your shoulder, and then you throw it down while letting go of the yo-yo. But not like that, that was a demonstration. It's like this. And it may take some practice, but eventually you'll get it. Just like that. And yeah, if you were able to learn from this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you keep watching. Oh my, wow. And I hope you keep watching, and yeah, see you later.